Have you ever owned something that was never supposed to be extraordinary, but somehow became one of the best things in your life? That's the Kawasaki KLR 650. If you spend enough time on the internet, you'll hear all about what it's not. It's not the fastest. It's not the lightest. It's not the fanciest. And you know what? They're absolutely right. But they're also missing the point. You see, the KLR isn't about impressing people. It's about disappearing down a gravel road just to see where it goes. I've ridden this old girl through the Little Belt Mountains, across endless Montana backroads, all the way up to the Yak, where an old Cold War radar station still watches over the Canadian border from the top of the lonely mountain. Every mile reminds me why this motorcycle has become a legend. She may not be the prettiest girl at the dance, but she's always ready to dance. She doesn't care if the road turns to gravel. She doesn't complain when the pavement ends. She just keeps thumping along with that big single-cylinder heartbeat, asking one simple question: where to next? People love to joke about KLRs. They call them tractors. They call them tanks. They call them slow. And honestly, I've smiled at every one of those jokes, because every time someone laughs at a KLR, another rider is quietly loading camping gear, filling the gas tank, and heading somewhere most people will only ever see on a map. This motorcycle changed my life. It opened doors I honestly thought were reserved for rich old dudes with giant adventure bikes and unlimited vacation time. Turns out, freedom doesn't care how much your motorcycle costs. It just asks if you're willing to leave. The KLR gave me the confidence to explore places I never imagined I'd reach. It taught me that the adventure isn't something you buy. It's something you choose. Sure, there are faster motorcycles, smoother motorcycles, sexier motorcycles, but when I look back on the roads I've traveled, the mountains views I've earned, the campsites I've slept in, and the memories I've made, I don't remember wishing for more horsepower. I remember feeling alive. Maybe that's why the KLR has become more than just a motorcycle. It's a passport, a camp chair, a fishing buddy, a therapist, a pack mule, a faithful friend that always seems ready for one more mile. So, is the KLR 650 just a myth? Is it really a legend? After thousands of miles across Montana, after lonely dirt road, mountain passes, and sunsets that no camera can truly capture, I'd say it's neither. It's simply a motorcycle that has helped ordinary people live extraordinary adventures. And to me, that's better than any legend. Now let's go ride.